smokes. Be very quiet. We're trying to sneak up on it. Now, inside this enclosure is one of the most dangerous animals to ever roam the earth. Hold on, let me get the screen open. Okay. Look. Oh, it's in there. This happens to be one of the most rarest Mustangs on earth. It's the diesel spotted Mustang. We sneak up on it easily.
Lights, camera, action! I've always wanted to say that. Today is a very special day, and let me tell you why that is. Our Mustang is gonna go from the Mustang in many colors that throws a lot of smoke to the Mustang that is one color that throws a lot of smoke. A similar problem with your Cummins powered Mustang, but mine, it's just impossible to keep the hood clean. For some reason, it's always black. Smokestack gonna be different colors. It's gonna be great. But guys, it's a good time to mention that only 45% of you guys are actually subscribed to the channel that watch the videos. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And let's get into what we're doing today. She's gonna be all one color. This is gonna be cool.
Is that not just the most beautiful sound you've ever heard?
God dang, it's loud when you stand outside. I always sit in the car, so I don't realize how loud it is. It's a little loud. In here though, it's like you can barely tell it's a diesel. Woo! Baby! How I've missed you. Is it bad to do burnouts on Main Street at a red light? Asking for a friend. I love it so much. Like, from right here, you don't even know that it's a diesel, besides for that every once in a while. Always shake your pedal or this happens. And you got a lot of power. Assert our dominance. We shall show our smoke. That guy was laughing at me. Can you believe that? Do you think the smoke thing is funny? You do? Well, that's good. She's not really meant to be on a gravel road, but she don't mind it. She's here. Did you know she was a gravel traveling machine? So guys, this is Picasso here. He's gonna paint this thing, make it look like brand new. He's gonna add like flames down the side of it.
Oh, really?
Hell yeah, isn't that what we talked about? Okay, I forgot.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, never mind. Never mind. That's probably gonna cost too much. Well, it's pretty simple. If you want to get in there, I'll show you how to do it. This is like showing somebody else how to kiss their girlfriend. This is like really bad. Okay, you see first switch on the switch panel?
Yeah.
No, on the one down there to your right.
Oh.
Yep. Flip the first one up, and then just bump the second one for a second. Bump it on, then bump it back off. That primes the pump, and then just hit the start button. Exactly. And then just shut the first one off. I'll see you later, sweetheart. Take care of my baby.
Fantastic.
It does it? I'm just gonna look right at the camera. That way I don't see it till we get there.
Oh my freaking god, dude. I can't even tell you
what?
how good it looks.
Oh my lord! That's the smokestack! What have you done to my car? Whose car is that? And where'd mine go? Is that not the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Whose car is this and where's mine? This is it. The edges come out really nice. Did you clean that up a little bit?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You're right. Is that bags aired up or?
Halfway.
Halfway? Yeah, that bumper is low. It is low. And this dude slams Hondas to the ground and he says it's low.
Low.
It's low. Honestly, if you didn't know, you just think, yeah, it's just a GT with a hood stack that knocks.
Yeah, until it starts, then you're like, oh, okay.
Oh, did you hook up the hood latch?
Yeah.
So we got a hood latch that works?
Yes, it works.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car now. This is way too nice.
Enjoy it now.
Honestly, from when we was working on this car, we'd sit here and we'd lean over the top of the car trying to figure out how to put the engine in. And there's like several hours of me and him leaning over the top of this car like, can we do that? I was not that upset about driving it back down the gravel road to go back, but now I'm debating because it looks too pretty. If we rip the bumper off, how's the warranty?
Oh my gosh. Do not rip the bumper off. I'm bracing because it's so heavy.
Yeah.
With all that stuff on there. I mean, it's not going to fall off driving it or nothing, but...
Believe it or not, I picked this car up with the front of my skid loader to move it into the garage. It's come a long way. It really has.
I could totally see you doing that.
Yeah, exactly. So we picked it up with the skid loader, and then when I picked it up with the skid loader, when I dropped it, when I set it down easily, floor pan fell off, or the bottom pan fell off, and then I ran it over the skid loader. So it's kind of bent up, but I'll put it back on one of these days. It's great. Dude, this car's ran from the cops. It's jumped, and I was carrying it around with the skid loader, and then some idiot decided to put 12 in it. So it's great. How smoky do you think the roof's gonna be by the time we get back to?
Pretty smoky.
Yeah. Are you ready to fire it up? Hopefully, when we put some air in it, it'll have a little bit more clearance. Been sitting out here all night?
Yeah.
Okay, so she's nice and cold.
Yeah.
I've never actually cold started this car, and it doesn't have a grid heater on it, so. Mustang, but this Mustang's special. Oh, you landed the bottom rod? What are you doing? I gotta get that perfect Instagram photo. I see why these guys do this. I thought this was stupid to begin with. Hold on.
I think we need better Instagram models.
What? Believe how far this car's come. I built it. I got it. I done it. This car started off as a joke in the comment sections. Everybody's like, ha ha, put a Cummins in it, JKOL. And there it is, right there. Damn, that is sick. Here comes the problem. Let's see if we can actually get it back into our garage, because we kind of got a little bit of an approach here, and every time I come out without the spoiler, it would drag right there. It might not work. Hopefully we don't rip the bumper off. Fingers crossed. No, I think I'm just gonna come in at a real extreme angle, and then I'll just turn and go inside the door. You just watch, and we'll go really slow with it. That works a lot better than having. I think what we'll do is I'll just go down there, turn around, come back in, kind of a steep angle. Just watch, make sure I don't hit the front bumper on the ground. All right? If I do, just tell me, and I'll stop, and we'll back up and try something else. Slowly.
Very close to the ground.
What'd you say?
It's very close to the ground.
Is it? How close is very close?
It's sitting on the ground.
That's not close. That's it sitting on the ground. Let's try a more extreme angle.
Why did you want these stop?
And just like that, the Smokestang is home. That's the whole reason I did it. My hands were always cold. Now they're never cold. It's hard to do that at 70 though.